Hello, my name is Hermes. Welcome to a video on my CZ4171 project, a dog breed prediction application. This is the overview of my video. I'll be giving a brief introduction of my application followed by a breakdown of the architecture and technologies used to create the application. Lastly, I will then show a demonstration of the application. In my application, I have trained a model using the dog breed dataset that I have obtained from Kaggle to create a model that can predict the dog breeds based on images that are being uploaded. This training is done using TensorFlow, which is a popular library for image classification. Next, I'll be using React.js as a front-end library for building components and user interface for my client side. And lastly, I'll be using Flask as a backend to communicate between the client and server, where HTTP requests can be conducted to obtain responses from the backend side. As mentioned earlier, this is a pictorial representation of the architecture of my application. I'll be using Google Cloud's platform virtual machine instance to run my backend Flask server, and it will contain my backend code including the AI model as well. The AI model will then be able to carry out model inference in the cloud. Now, let's move on to the application demonstration. Hello, welcome to a video demonstration of my dog breed application app. On the left here is a SSH in-browser terminal of a VM instance from Google Cloud Platform that I'll be using to run my Flask application. And on the right is two mobile emulators that I'll be using to run the client side of the application. I'll first start by initializing and running my Flask application. And as you can see, when the application is being set up, you can see that there's two workers being created, and this is due to CPU and memory limitations for my use case. As such, I've chose to use two workers for my Flask application. Let's move on to the mobile emulator. Over here, you can actually click on the upload button, whereby you can choose from your files and upload a image. And in this case, I'll be adding a image of a Saint Bernard. So I can click on the click to identify button, and as you can see on the terminal on the left, the AI model inference actually starts happening when I click on the click to identify button. So the model inference is currently running, and this is all done in the cloud. So I can do the same for the second emulator over here. I can click on the upload button and the files, and then subsequently in this scenario, I'll actually upload a image of a golden retriever. So I can click on identify as well, and it will actually run the model inference. And in our first mobile emulator over here, you can actually see the prediction being returned, which is a Saint Bernard as intended. And now we will just wait for the second model inference to return us back the prediction from the AI model. And yeah, and the prediction return is a golden retriever, which is as intended as well. With that, I thank you for watching this video.